Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Niputu Nabila Sagitariani with last name 028. Today I would like to describe one of the most fascinating ecosystem in the world, the mangrove ecosystem. A mangrove ecosystem is a unique coastal habitat that grows in tropical and subtropical regions. It's located in areas where the land meets the sea, especially along muddy shores, river mountains, and estuaries. Mangrove ecosystems are well known for their remarkable ability to survive in salty water and unstable muddy soil. They are not only beautiful natural landscape but also important ecosystem that support wide variety of living organisms. At first glance, a mangrove ecosystem looks like a dense green forest growing along the coastline. The trees stand close to one another, creating a thick canopy of green leaves. Beneath the trees, the ground is usually covered with soft mud, and the area is flooded by sweeter during high tide. One of the most distinctive characteristics of mangrove trees is their unique root system. Unlike ordinary trees, mangrove have exposed roots that extend above the muddy ground. These roots form intricate patterns and create a natural networks that support the trees in soft soil. The environment is usually calm, humid, and rich in organic matter. During low tide, many parts of the root become visible, making the ecosystem looks even more extraordinary. Mangrove plants possess several special adaptations that allow them to survive in extreme environmental conditions. Their roots, known as proof roots and pneumatopores, provide stability in muddy soil and help the trees absorb oxygen even when the soil contains very little air. Another remarkable adaptation is their ability to tolerate high levels of salt. Some mangrove species remove excess salt through specialized glands in their leaves, while others store the salt inside older leaves before shedding them. Mangrove trees also reproduce in a unique way. Instead to producing dormant seeds, many species produce seedlings that begin to grow while they are still attached to the parent tree. This adaptation, called vivipary, increases the chance of survival when the seedling fall into muddy environment. This adaptation demonstrates how living organisms evolve to survive in challenging habitats. The mangrove ecosystem is home to an incredible diversity of living organisms. Many species of fish spend their early life stage among the mangrove root because the area provides protection from predators. Crab, shrimp, mollusks, mud skippers are commonly found on the muddy surface. Numerous bird species use mangrove forests as nesting and feeding areas. Reptiles, insects, amphibians, and even mammals can also be found in healthy mangrove ecosystems. The tangled root system provides shelter, breeding grounds, and food resources from many organisms. As a result, mangrove ecosystems play a significant role in maintaining biodiversity in coastal environments. Besides supporting biodiversity, mangrove ecosystems perform many important ecological functions. Their strong root system protect coastline from erosion caused by waves and ocean currents. During storm and high tides, mangrove reduce the force of incoming waves and help protect coastal communities. Mangrove forests also trap sediments and improve water quality by filtering pollutants before they enter the sea. In addition, mangroves are among the most efficient natural carbon sinks. They absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store in their biomass and soil, helping reduce the impact of climate change. Because of the ecological service, mangrove ecosystems are often referred to as one of the most valuable ecosystems on Earth. Mangrove ecosystems provide numerous benefits from human life. Many coastal communities depend on mangroves for fisheries because they serve as nursery habitat from commercially important fish and surf species. Mangrove also support ecotourism, environmental education, and scientific research. They provide opportunities from students and research to study biodiversity, plant adaptation, ecological interaction, and environmental conservation. Furthermore, mangrove forests contribute to sustainable development by protecting coastline while supporting local economies. Despite their importance, mangrove ecosystems face many threats. Deforestation, coastal development, pollution, and climate change have caused significant declines in mangrove forests worldwide. Conservation efforts are essential to protect this valuable ecosystem. Reforestation programs, sustainable coastal management, environmental education, and community participation all play important roles in preserving mangrove forests for future generations. Protecting mangrove means protecting biodiversity, marine life, and communities that depend on healthy coastal ecosystem. In conclusion, the mangrove ecosystem is much more than a group of trees growing near the sea. It's a unique and highly productive ecosystem with extraordinary biological adaptation, rich biodiversity, and essential ecological function. As a biological education student, I believe that learning about mangrove ecosystem help us understand the importance of biodiversity, adaptation, ecological balance, and environmental conservation. By protecting mangrove forests, we are also protecting countless species and ensuring a healthier environment for future generations. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Bye.